Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, I am your computer teacher Ramneek Kaur. I am here today to tell you about history of computers. The computer is an electronic machine that has touched every aspect of our life, making our work faster, easier, and well organized. We are dependent on computers for most of our daily work. Computer has its own history. It has been a combination of efforts and ideas of many people from all over the world. The concept of counting started with the existence of human beings in the ancient time. People used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, bones, sticks, fingers, toes, etc. In course of time, it became difficult to do bigger and complex calculations with such objects. So people started thinking of some kind of device which could make their task easier. Thus, the first calculating device, abacus, was invented. First of all, we are going to talk about first early calculating device, abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device invented about 5000 years ago by Chinese. Simple calculations like addition and subtractions were performed using the abacus. It is still in use in different parts of the world. Now we will talk about another type of calculating device. Its name is Napier's bones. It was invented by Johann Napier in 1614. This device is a set of rectangular rods marked with numbers on them. It was meant for simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication of numbers, divide, and for the calculation of cube roots by moving the rods around and placing them in the specially constructed boards. Now we will talk about another type of device. Its name is slide rule. It was invented by William Oughtred in 1622. It was based on Napier's ideas about logarithms. It was used primarily for doing multiplication, division, roots, logarithms, trigonometry, etc. Now we will discuss about another type of earliest calculation device. Its name was Pascaline. In 1642, a French mathematician named Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical computing machine known as Pascaline. It consists of a box with movable gears that could add, subtract, multiply, and divide the numbers very easily. Now we will discuss about another type of device. Its name was stepped reckoner. It was invented by Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz in 1672. The machine was able to add, subtract, multiply, and divide the numbers automatically. Next type of calculation device. It was Jacquard loom. The Jacquard loom is a mechanical loom invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard in 1881. It was an automatic loom controlled by punched cards. Next one is arithmeter, a mechanical calculator invented by Thomas de Colmar in 1820. It was first reliable, useful and commercially successful calculating machine. Now we will discuss about difference engine and analytical engine. See in the picture, there are two pictures shown here. One is of analytical engine, another is of difference engine. In 1822, a mathematics professor of Cambridge University, England, Charles Babbage, developed a machine known as difference engine. It could perform mathematical operations automatically. However, in 1833, Babbage had a better idea and he stopped working on difference engine and started designing another machine called analytical engine. Therefore, Charles Babbage is also known as father of computers. Now we will talk about first computer programmer. In 1840, Augusta Ada Byron suggests to Babbage that he can use the binary system. She writes program for the analytical engine, and today Augusta is known as the first computer programmer. Now we will talk about another type of machine. Its name is tabulating machine. In 1890, Herman Hollerith, an army engineer, invented a tabulating machine. This tabulating machine was used in census to count the population of the USA. It gave a quick count of the US population. The use of the tabulating machine was so successful that Hollerith formed a company that later became famous as the International Business Machine. Now we will talk about another type of electromechanical computer, Mark I. It is today known as the first electromechanical computer. In 1943, Professor Howard Aikens built the first electromechanical computer named Mark I. It was 51 feet long, weighed 5 tons, and used a typewriter for input and punch cards for output. So that's all for today. Today we have discussed about different types of early calculation machine. That's all for today's session. Hope you have learned all the topics properly. Thank you so much.